Hi guys, welcome back to Renpet Bath Beauty. We are making, I am making, it's a remake, All You Need Is Love by the Beatles. It is scented in Cashmere Silk, and it's a dupe of something because it says, Cashmere Silk type. But this is Ava's design. This was her baby, and I wanted to make this with her, but I needed to make it while I was feeling well. So here goes nothing, guys. Let me grab some paper towel. I forgot to put paper towel down for my spatulas. You'll have to excuse my scratchy voice. Oh, and I need another spatula. Hold on. Okay, sorry about that. Yep, needed another spatula. It's 5 colors in this one, not 4. But anyway, it's allergy season here in Michigan, although, it's kind of funny. It was like late last week. It was like 85 degrees, 82 degrees, 80 degrees, like a 3-day period, and today it's snowing. So it's been one of those. Okay, so this is my Hathor recipe, and my yogurt and my heavy cream are already in there. And in my lye water, let me move this mold out of that side of my sink. And my lye water is distilled water, sodium hydroxide, salt, and sugar. I think Ava did a really good job designing this soap, and she sells it like a pro. I mean, like a pro. So I had to watch the other video because I couldn't remember, and I'm soaping really, really cold, you guys. My oils are 75 degrees, and my lye is probably about 50. So okay, so it isn't in the pot swirl, so it's going to be a really easy, quick soap to make. Alright, here we go. Now, if I remember correctly, it does not rice nor speed up trace. I think we had to wait a pretty long time for the piping to set up, which the piping is very minimal, in case you haven't seen it made before. And I know it wasn't too long ago that I made it, but it's just the way it is. You gotta make it again. Okay, that's gonna be my pink. I'm trying to figure out how much we put in each of these. I know that we made them even because I have to have a little bit enough for piping. I'm probably going to have to put more in each of these. So far they're pretty even, because it wasn't like there was a ton of color inside of there. Yeah, I'm going to leave it like that for now. Alright, the base is red, and I'm using my Trial by Fire. And we have neon purple, neon green, lapis blue, and watermelon pink. I'll fast forward while I get these colors put in here and something and get them mixed up. Alright, I'll see you on the other side. So we have got everything all mixed up, and I'm going to drop the fragrance in before I mix everything. That way we don't have to do stuff twice. So a little bit, a little bit, a little bit, a little bit. And then the rest. Oh, come on. Get all the drops out. Let's get all of our fragrance. No, Harley Quinn, you cannot come up here. My kitten is trying to get up here. Okay. Yeah, it thins it out, which is nice. Since we're doing a drop swirl. Like I said, there's not much piping on the top of this. It's sort of just like decorative right down the center. So it's not a big deal. But we had a lot of fun when Ava designed this soap. She was so pleased with herself. Which is, those of you who know my granddaughter know she loves doing this stuff with me. So I sort of feel bad not doing it with her. But like I said, I gotta take advantage of when I'm feeling good. And she's at school right now. So... Alright, I guess I should have taken all my spatulas out. That would have been helpful, I suppose. Okay, let's take our red out. Alright, now I don't remember where she said to put every color. And I gotta save enough for piping. And it doesn't matter if this does not, like, what do you call it? Fill up the mold all the way. It doesn't matter at all. That's not a concern. Ooh! It doesn't have to go right up to the top. Alrighty. Let's make sure we have enough for piping. Alright. Let's get our mold over here. And then we will get this going. Alright, let me put you down just a little bit. Okay, here we go. There we go. All you need is love. This design is kind of based on, because my grandkids love Yellow Submarine. It's based on a variety of colors from the Sergeant Pepper's uniforms. That is, if I remember correctly. I do have brain damage. So, yeah, see how this one doesn't go all the way up to the top? Which is kind of funny because I'm using 38 ounces of oils rather than 34, but, there's a purpose for that. So, alright, I'm going to alcohol it, and I'm going to set it on the stove. I'm going to do the dishes I can, let this thicken up, and I'll put it in some, press and seal, and then we'll be back to pipe it. Okay, bye-bye. Okay, this piping is definitely set up. Hopefully it's not too set up. Okay, squeeze my bag really good. So I'm going to put one dot down the middle. Whoop, that one came up a little too high. Yeah, this piping is nice and thick. I'll have to make sure I put the extra of this into a cupcake holder for Ava. And then we're going to come this way. Up. Oh, not up that high. Come on now. Press it down. Oh, I'm sorry, I'm not talking, am I? My bad. This isn't exactly in the middle. Let me turn it around this way. Can you guys still see? Okay, I twist my bag. Oh, jeez. And I'm sorry I'm not talking. I'm concentrating because this piping is so set up. I'm going to have to do another run over the top of it. I want it to be a little bit higher than what it is, like this. There we go. That's better. There we go. Maybe I can put little teeny ones in between there. Make it a little bit different than last time. Why not? I have so much piping left over, y'all. I guess I could have made it, oh, what is the word I'm thinking of? That I could have put more color in there. You guys still see? Let me wrap this around so you guys, so the bag's not completely in y'all's way. There we go. Okay, I'm going to put the rest of it in a cupcake holder for Ava. And we got to put a little bit of glitter on it. Just the piping. And alcohol. And then we will cut this in 18 to 24 hours. I will see you then. All right. Bye-bye.
I'm in the dark.
Yeah, you're a dork. Okay.
I
Ava.
said I'm in the dark.
Oh, you're in the dark? Yeah, kind of in the dark, yeah. Ava's here because she wasn't here when I made it. What do you think about that top? That's a floofy top, huh? It's much more fluffy than the last time we made it.
It's very bumpy.
We stop, you weirdo. Okay, let's see what we got. Let's see how much it looks like it did when we. You have some upstairs. There we go. Harley, don't you do it.
Do what?
She was looking up at the counter like she was going to jump up here. My kitten thinks she should be allowed anywhere. Okay, here we go, Ava. First piece.
And I'm going to help her put the stuff on it.
See?
Right?
Oh, look at that.
Can I smell it?
Look it. It looks very similar.
It's very sticky, right?
Yeah, it's sticky because it just,
Came out.
yeah, because it's still, what's the word I'm looking for? Oh, because I just took it out of the freezer a few hours ago. It's not frozen, but it definitely makes it more sticky. But it's cutting okay. I like it. I think it looks good. Why did you set that down on its side, dear? Not next week, but the week after, I have to make Major Tom again. And Ava's never made a soap with me. That
I'm always at school.
Well, no, not just that, but you haven't made a soap with me that's difficult, that the fragrance is difficult to work with.
I'm just over here in the dark playing with bubbles.
You're playing with the bubbles? Oh,
Yes.
because of the mold?
Oh,
Yeah.
I think the water's cold.
I really like the way this turned out, Ava. Even with it being a little bit shorter than the last time, because Mimi used too much piping.
Yeah.
I could have
But
put.
it still looked out very good. We put a little bit of some glitter on it. You guys
Yeah, I
couldn't
just put the glitter on the piping. Isn't that what we did last time?
We put a little bit in the red.
Oh, that's what I forgot to do.
And then we
See?
put it on the top when it.
Right. I knew that we put some on the top, but I totally forgot about putting glitter in the red.
Next time when we
Yep.
run out, you can do
Well,
that.
and it's not going to take long for us to run out of this one. Everybody loves this one. And as soon as it comes out of your mouth that you helped make it, they always want to buy it because you're such a great sales lady. My little sales miss.
I should have a badge of it.
a sales badge, like a Girl Scout.
Yeah. Because I sell the most soap.
You
Anytime I say
do sell a lot of
I
soap.
did.
You're very good at it. Okay, let's see how many pieces we have.
Yeah, I just said I don't know what I am doing.
You're playing with the bubbles. 2, 4, 6, 8, 9. There is going to be kind of a larger piece here, but I would rather save it for. I would rather make samples out of it. Okay. All right, guys.
Extra piping.
Yeah, there's extra piping right there, but that's going to go to Renee. So, okay, guys.
Have you squatted in there?
Thanks for
watching.
Yep. Sticking with us and watching. We will see you next week. All right. Bye-bye.